ਓਏ ਸਿੰਘੋ ਆ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਓਏ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਆਪਣਾ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਵਲੌਗ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਵਲੌਗ ਤੇ ਕੰਮ ਪਹੁੰਚੂਗਾ ਪਰ
ਸੋਚਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਕਦੇ ਇੰਜ ਜੁਦਾ ਹੋਵਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਲੁਕ ਰੋਵਾਂਗੇ
guys lots of love you message you catch you on the first vlog ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਆਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਮੇਕ ਆਊਟ ਕਰਾਂ ਪਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਕਰੀਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ ਸੋ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਹੀ
long distance
at Palla's house he is taking his sweet ass time as usual.
should I Nicky 9 door
Yo, one time we did that, right? This is a story for you guys. One time we Nicky 9 door. I'm just gonna say it straight up. I don't even care. Just C's house, right? Just see, you're probably watching this, right? And
just see you little bitch
he's our buddy. It's okay, guys. He's our buddy. So and he knows about this too, because you're too frame to bahar.
bhai frame de vich aao
Yeah. And then frame. So like we Nicky 9 door Jussie's house, and this was so awkward. It was like in grade 7, I think, right? Jussie's dad chased us, right? He caught us. He chased us, and he had a rope on him, right? He's like, "Sareo, main banna tha nu."
he's wearing a tracksuit
He had a tracksuit and a rope. But he didn't tie us. He was just scaring us. And then after that, we never Nicky 9 door anybody's house, let alone our own friend's house. Udhar to baad Chan nu thodi ji akal aa gayi.
yeah
Yo, Swarp's gonna demo exactly what it looked like when I Nicky 9 door Jussie's house. Karta kama. That's exactly how I felt like 10 years ago.
that's it bro
Bachpan diyan yaadan.
adrenaline rush after that
Yeah. Honestly, every kid that did the Nicky 9 door, you know it was worth it for the adrenaline rush, right?
That's it.
Aur koi gal nahi si. Oh my god, and Dassa's dad's outside.
get him
Dassa's dad's outside. Dassa's dad's outside. I think his dad's actually gonna. Oh my! Shut the door. Now we're gonna tell you guys why we named the vlogs Sangs Doing Things. Why do we name it Sangs Doing Things? Honestly, it's because imagine it was named Gyanni's Doing Things. That's kind of awkward, right? Bale?
you know Gyani means wise man it's like a very respected term
But honestly,
but it's turned into like a derogatory term it's like,
no. So honestly, right? Like when someone says Gyanni up till today, right? It's still a little bit awkward.
yeah like, I'm not gonna lie we used to say it to kids too
I used to say it before
Gyani
too. Yeah. Like we used to say it as a joke, right?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna be you guys are gonna think to Chan and me senti ho gaya. But saying the word Gyanni has probably caused more damage in our own society, right? Than any other word. Honestly speaking, right?
Yeah, straight
Because look, imagine a kid, right? He's growing up, and like just because he keeps his hair, right? Nobody even calls him by his name, That's pretty dukhi, right?
your own not even Gore call you that
Not even
your
Gore,
own community
your own people, right?
calls you something that you believe in that's
Right?
like being racist to your own kind of
Like
people
imagine Palla, right? Like Palla's growing up, right? And he's not like a confident kid growing up, right? Then on top of that, he's just named Gyanni, right?
up.
It makes him feel like shit. Like, oh, am I different? Right?
It makes them feel like there's something different about them than the normal people.
Yeah.
And the only thing that they see is their hair is different.
Right? Yeah. And honestly, it's just we need to realize, right? I was at this stage too at one point. मैं तो ना सच्ची दिल दी गल शेयर करन लगा. I was at a point, right, where Chan himself. You guys aren't gonna believe it, right? But I wanted to cut my hair, right? I wanted to. What did they say?
You wanted to mar the kenchi.
I wanted to drop the top. Yeah.
You wanted to open the sunroof.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੰਗ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੁਣ because now you know what I mean we're older but ਤੁਹਾਡਾ Chan at one point wanted to cut his hair.
Everyone does.
I honestly think there's a lot of guys that did at one point.
I did. I'm not gonna lie.
It's like going through depression.
No, it's just a time in your life where you think that, yo, why the fuck am I even doing this? What's the point? I think that, yo, if this is causing me this much tension,
Why am I doing
bullying and
it?
harassment, what's the point? Let me just drop the top.
And I'll be honest, right? A lot of guys do it to just get girls.
For chicks, because chicks will be
right?
like, I don't date Gyanni.
Some girls are like that, right? I'm not saying all girls are,
Gyanni is like a
but then
bad
this, yeah.
Yo, look how stupid that sounds. I don't date Gyannis. Gyanni is someone who works at a gurdwara
Yeah.
and does like part, right?
That's like in literal
Obviously-
Punjabi transitions, the girl is saying, I don't date a granthi.
Yeah, like,
Right?
come on, man.
White man.
No
I
one's
don't
telling you
date
to
a
date a
white man.
Granthi.
Wiper ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਦੇ
just cause someone has a pug and a dadi doesn't make him a freaking priest.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, and it's honestly, I'm gonna be real, right? There's some people that are really savage and evil in the world that have a pug and a dadi.
There
right?
is.
So just by being a Sangh, it doesn't make you a holy person, right? Or looking like a Sangh, right?
Yeah.
You know? The people think drop the top and you'll become hot. It's not like that.
That's not.
Right? You know?
That's not how it
It's
works.
the opposite. It's the opposite, alright?
You get uglier.
Yeah. But you know, now I'm gonna say something I'm gonna say another real thing right here. Does he believe
This
me or
is
not?
this is the truth.
This is the truth.
Truer words may have not been spoken
Up till today's date,
this-
right? Some people have a fuddu personality, right? Okay? And then if they tie like a bingi teddy pug, right? And they have a bingi Judy, then having all that and a girl doesn't go for them, they can't blame their hair.
Yeah.
They can't blame them being a Sangh. If you're a shitty person, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what's up here. It matters what's in here, right? You know? It's Sega Lagani. So like, yo, that was pretty good, right?
That was
Like
sick.
that was
That
like
was sick.
that was like an enlightenment moment
That
right
was
there,
sick.
right? But
Biggest time they drop the top.
it's like grade 7 to grade 8.
Yeah. straight
Right?
up.
Like honestly, a lot of kids in my elementary school from grade 7 to grade 8, they cut their hair, right? And then the even bigger one is from grade 8 to grade 12.
Yeah.
I can show you my PM yearbook statistics, right? You know?
yeah.
How many Sanghs fell victim to the streets, right?
Yeah,
You know?
to the Kenchi.
Right? How many Sanghs fell victim to the Kenchi? From grade 8 to grade 12 was huge, man.
And then-
no judging anyone, it's your personal choice, right? But the thing is, man, half of these people, like we know personally that do it, it's out of like pressure from
straight
every
up.
society around you, man. They just want to fit in, right?
You've kept
pressure.
something so pure with you your whole life, and you're letting a third person that you hate, that's bullying you.
Yeah, control-
you're
control
letting
your
control
life.
your life and
Yeah.
and falling victim to what they want you to do.
Yeah. It's the saddest truth, yo. Like it's sachi galla.
You hate the person that's calling you a Gyani, but then again,
You're actually
you're
listening
letting
to
him control you and drop the top.
Control your life.
If anything, you
right?
should.
Like honestly, the word Gandhi is literally the silent killer.
It is.
Right?
It is.
It is, man.
You may not see it from the outside.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
Andro
Andro-
Yo, and honestly, all the Sanghs know. All
It is-
the Sanghs know what it
all the-
feels like
all
when
the-
someone says Gyani.
All the Sanghs that are watching this know.
They know the feeling, man.
You know.
It's like it's the worst feeling ever, man.
Andro dil runda.
Banda pack.
Harder to transition from a padka to a pug because you're like, yo, people are gonna make more fun of me. What if my pug's teddy? What if it's bingy?
I remember when-
What if I have a blind side, right?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
what if it's a thicky bug, you have a blind side, sometimes you can't
Yeah,
see,
you
right?
can't see.
What if it's too sharp, it pokes somebody in the eye out, right?
You know, like even when I did that, we never had YouTube videos.
We didn't, yeah.
We just saw people's pagga and we're like, yo, this is sort of what they do.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I remember the first time I tied a pug, it looked like the Eiffel Tower sticking like left out of my head, man. My freaking gutti was busting a U-turn on my own head.
Yeah.
Like, you know?
Remember, okay, yours is bad. Tell them how bad my pug was in high school.
Bro, this guy's pug was, it's like, you would have died.
My
like,
pug was so bad in high school. It was like,
it was like this.
I only had, yeah. And I only had one eye. Literally in high school, I only used one eye. Hence my grade 12 communications 12 mark.
This is what his pug
Because I
looked
couldn't
like.
see half the Scantron. I was like,
This is what his pug looked like. But you know what it is? Yo, it gets better with practice.
Yeah,
Everyone builds their own style.
Yeah, everybody has their own style. Then nahi chhadi da. Keep going at it, man. Baba chhadi aiye tanu. Kare chhadi aiye.
Dania kara vi thi
Pakka? Pakki ਗੱਲ ਆ?
ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ
ਆਵੇ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਨਾਲ
ਦੱਸ ਦੋ ਸੰਗਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ.
DNG classes.
Okay ji.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
Love you. Anybody bumping the new Harjeet Harman tune? You know what's up.
Harj Harman.
Harj Harman never disappoints. Jat 24 carat da. 24 carat da. Honestly, Harjeet Harman has not lost his mind. Like a lot of singers we grew up listening to, he still got it. Yo, Pale.
A lot of singers-
Pale, Kholi Red Bull.
A lot of singers.
Sears kar de.
They just like lose their mind. Right?
Yeah, a lot of singers like we listen to growing up right now, they just completely have lost all their marbles. Right? Like some of them
Talk
are.
about the dumbest thing sometimes.
Some of the songs are like reading the newspaper these
Yeah,
days.
some of the songs are honestly these days coming out in the Punjabi industry. You're like, what? What the fuck?
yeah,
like, what are you talking about, man? This is one song that came out. The guy is like, ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਾਇਆ ਕੜਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਾਇਆ ਕੰਗਣਾ
Yeah,
I've seen girls wear kade too dog right
Yeah,
right like yo girls wear kade too he's like yo you wear the kangana I wear the kada
It's all comparison.
yeah they're
All the songs
and they always have like verses the songs actually called kada versus kangana
You know, like bullet versus girl,
yeah
right? Jat versus study.
Those of you that don't know, we're holding a food drive. It's called the Sant Baba Jarnail Singh Food and Toy Drive. All right, it's gonna run from December 10th to the 17th. I'm gonna put the link okay? So make sure you guys look at it. I'll tell you the location that it's gonna start at. Then make sure everybody comes out to the main event. Jedi main event ya mitro, oh hegi ya 17th at what hall palle?
Bollywood Banquet Hall.
Bollywood Banquet Hall. And it's gonna be from 12:30 to
3:30ish.
3 p.m. But make sure everybody comes out. The main event is gonna have presentations, solid seminar on like Sikhi and Seva, right? And it's gonna be from a youth speaker, so it won't be boring. I promise you guys that.
And there'll be martial arts
performance, and on top of that, get this, right? So anybody that donates in the food drive, you automatically have a chance at winning any prize. Like there's like a lot of giveaways and gift basket prizes, right? That you guys are gonna have raffle tickets, yeah. So anybody that donates, you automatically put your name in a draw.
Belt la la, bhai.
मैं बैठ ला लेना पर तुसी सारे जरूर आए हो, okay? I'm actually so hungry. My stomach is hurting. After Maharaja Pala making the snap.
And Sabbi.
Padya चार दिन नेट पे. Maharaja has the most kills samosa. I know we said that last week about Akash, but I know you guys are gonna call us out on it. But Akash also has the best tikki chaat. But these guys honestly kill it on the samosa. Got the mango lassi for Chan. And this is the stuffed naan, really good item. बहुत ज़रूरी, I recommend this. सब भी थोड़ा मिठा पाई ਜਾਂਦਾ ਚਾਹ ਚ, सब भी sugar ना हो जाए तेनू.
ਵੱਧ ਚੀਨੀ, ਬੈਠ ਕਨਟੀਨੀ.
Pinde si chaha.
Lawn salaha करिए.
Yo, these guys are actually doing a big deal.
खोती ਦਾ ਫੋਨ आ ਗਿਆ.
They wrote their name on the
That's when you know Maharaja's doing it big, right?
But they have their own sugar.
ਦੇਖ ਲਾ ਆਪ.
ਸਾਡੀ ਰੀਸ ਕੌਣ ਕਰ ਲੂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ
Wow.
ਜੀ sizzling hot ਪਨੀਰ ਟਿੱਕਾ. It's honestly ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਚਿਕਨ ਟਿੱਕਾ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਇਹ ਉਹੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆ ਬਟ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਪਨੀਰ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਆਈਟਮ. ਪਾਲੇ ਦੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਚੋਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਨਿਕਲਦਾ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ.
ਨਿਕਲਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਹ ਖਾਵਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਜਾਂ ਉਹ ਖਾਵਾਂ.
ਆ ਸਾਡਾ ਵੈਜੀ ਪਕੌੜਾ ਮਿਕਸ ਵੈਜੀ ਪਕੌੜਾ ਆਈਟਮ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਆਈਟਮ ਆ. ਹੁਣ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਆਈਟਮਾਂ ਆ ਗਈਆਂ. ਪਾਲਾ ਫੋਟੋਆਂ ਖਿੱਚ ਪਾਈ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ
ਸਨੈਪ ਤੇ
ਗਰਲਫ੍ਰੈਂਡਸ ਨੂੰ. ਦੇਖੋ ਹੁਣ ਪਾਲਾ is gonna do his chiropractor move on me. ਮੇਰੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਚੈਨ ਦੀ ਢੂਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੁਖਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਆ.
ਦੇਖਿਓ
Sorry. I get this done from Palla every Sunday.
ਪਿਆ ਕੜਕ
Yeah, fair product. One more time. Just it's like one level. ਖਾਣਾ ਨਾ ਕੱਢ ਦੀ.
ਦੁਖਦੀ ਆ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਥੱਲੇ ਬਾਡੀ ਫਿਕਸ ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ.
ਕੈਰੋਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਓਥੈਰੇਪਿਸਟ
ਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜੀ ਪੀਏ ਆ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਤੇ ਅਪਾਇੰਟਮੈਂਟ ਬੁੱਕ ਕਰਦਾ. ਸਟੇਪਲਸ ਆਏ ਆ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਟਿੰਗ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗੀ ਆ ਪੋਸਟਰ ਦੀ. ਪਹਿਲਾ ਪੋਸਟਰ ਸਭ ਹੀ ਛੇਤੀ ਕਰ 30 ਸੈਂਟ ਮਿੰਟ ਦੇ ਆ. ਮਹਿੰਗੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਪੈਣੀ ਇਹ ਹੈ. ਪੈਸੇ ਪਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਮੁੰਡੇ. ਸਟੇਪਲ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਸਟੇਪਲ ਦੀ ਪਾਲਿਸੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਕਿੰਨੇ
30 ਸੈਂਟ ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ ਦੇ
30 ਸੈਂਟ ਫॉर 1 ਮਿੰਟ.
ਚੱਕ ਬੇਬੀ
ਮੈਂ ਕਰਾਂ ਲੌਗਇਨ. It's so slow.
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਾਣ ਕੇ ਸਲੋ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਟ ਲਵਾਇਆ.
ਉਹ ਪੈਸੇ ਪਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ. ਹੈਲੋ
enter press enter or something
ਐਂਟਰ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਦੱਬੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ. ਦੀਦੀ
ਹਰਨੇ ਜੈ ਜੁੜੀ
दीदी ये चल नहीं रहा. दीदी ये रिस्पॉन्स नहीं कर रहा. ये बहुत हम मुसीबत में है. हम क्या करें हमारे रिचार्ज पे ही जाता है 34 ये तो डॉलर ले जाएगा हमारा.
दिस इज स्कैम. है
सो इस वेले लग रहा है कि ये हमारा पूरा डॉलर खा जाएगा.
अभी तो बहुत मुसीबत
है. ओ 67 सेंट छाल मार गया. ओ दीदी कार्ड काटो थोड़ा.
very tired
लौट गए हुए मर गए हुए
सी लुटे गए
मैम.
शुक्रिया. Yo, I don't have Gmail. I only have Hotmail. मैं तो Gmail है नहीं.
Oh, you guys enter the Hotmail. 5 मिनट होने लग गया.
Hotmail वाला बंदा यार देसी बंदे आप Hotmail वाले.
Chancellor has the same email from like MSN.
साथ नहीं Gmail चलदी.
You're so fast.
हो जा डाउनलोड तेरे पैसे पे ही ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਮਾਮਾ.
ਕਿੰਨੇ ਹੋ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਹੈਲਪ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆ.
ਸਿੰਘ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਿੰਘ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ
ਸਿੰਘ ਤਾਂ ਗੋਰੇ ਦੀ ਹਾਲਤ ਕਰਦਾ
ਸਿੰਘ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਸਿੰਘ ਲੋਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੇ ਕੰਮ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਸੀ
ਇਹ ਸਿੰਘ ਗੋਰੇ ਦੇ ਕੰਮ ਆਉਂਦਾ
ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ ਬਦਲ ਗਿਆ ਪਾਲਾ ਦੇਖੋ ਪਾਲਾ ਪਾਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਟਦਾ ਜੋ ਮਰਜੀ ਹੋ ਉਹ ਸਰ ਅੱਖ ਨਾ ਕੱਢਦੀ ਮੇਰੀ Paula's thinking of investing in a Keurig machine.
ਯਾਰ ਉਹ ਦੂਜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਫ੍ਰੈਂਚ ਵਨੀਲਾ
They have all the flavors though. It's pretty good. Yo, Sarb, you have a coffee machine, right?
Yeah, I have what do you call
Keurig.
Keurig is like the best one. You honestly, I don't have when I get ready for work. I'm always running so behind. I just make it in the microwave.
You just put your ਚਾਹ ਦਾ ਕੱਪ in the
No, I put instant coffee and dod and a little bit pani. Mari ji sugar, yeah, in the microwave. It's super unhealthy probably, but like
ਲੈ ਲਈਏ ਫਿਰ
ਬੰਦੇ ਕਾਲੀ ਚ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ
This is why you
But you know the thing is with this, yo, if you get it, you gotta keep buying the pods, yo.
ਪੌਡ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਆ ਉਦਾਂ ਵੀ ਕਾਫੀ $2-3 ਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ
There we go. So yeah, once you have it, you have it.
ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ
Yeah.
ਫਿਰ ਤਾਂ ਮਸ਼ੀਨ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਖਰਚਾ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ
That's the machine.
But
That pods. Yeah. The good thing about the pods is, yo, you can get so many different flavors.
Yeah, look all this.
ਨਿਤ ਨਵੀਂ ਕਾਫੀਆਂ ਪੀਵਾਂਗੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਘਰੇ
I'm open Starbucks at my house.
ਆ ਲੋ ਜੀ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਪੋਸਟਰ ਫਰਸਟ ਐਵਰ ਫੂਡ ਡਰਾਈਵ ਪੋਸਟਰ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਬੋਲੇ ਸੋਨਿਹਾ
Sat Sri Akal.
about to matha taking the matha ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਆਤਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਜੀ ਗੁਰਪੁਰ ਮੀਂਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਡਰੇ ਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਮੀਂਹ
ਭੱਜ ਕੇ ਕਾਰ ਚ
ਇਹ ਇਦਾਂ ਕਰ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਵੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਲਿਆ ਤੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ
ਨਹੀਂ
ਹੈ ਲਿਆ
Let's
ਯਾਰ
go.
ਸੇਵਾਦਾਰ ਬਣ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ ਆਇਆ ਤੂੰ
ਮੈਂ ਇਕੱਲੇ ਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਿੰਘਾਂ ਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਜਣਾ ਆ
Yo, I'll stop someone and be like, yo, drop us off to our ਗੱਡੀ
there's a ਗੱਡੀ funny thing is it's right there that's what the car is
ਗੋਲੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਮੀਂਹ ਤੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਡਰਦੇ ਨਾਰਮਲ ਮੀਂਹ ਤੋਂ ਡਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ
Yo, how about this then? Let this car cross, then we run together.
We run together.
Rain, go away, come again another day.
Rabba.
Me barsa.
That's like the other way around.
That's the opposite. You know what? Gore saying rain, go away. Look at apne lullabies. Rabba, me barsa. I have a huge dilemma right now. Basically, so I've just accused Palla of having fake followers. Either you accept fake followers.
He can't tell when there's a fake
No, I
account.
know if it's, I don't follow fake
The accusation is you can't tell when someone's fake.
No, I know if they're fake. I tell by the how many they're following and how many followers they have.
I got two.
So I was gonna show us his fake followers apparently.
This is the first one. It's called I Like Sex.
Wait, let me see.
Right?
Oh my god.
I Like Sex, no hate, please just love.
Yeah.
1 follower and 108 following.
That's fake, yeah.
That's fake
totally
right there.
fake, yeah.
Or he's just really unpopular.
Yeah.
Right? And then there's this one.
Sandhu. Oh, this is a typical fake account, you know.
Seductive pictures.
Girl's picture like that on the freaking display, you know, BCSFU.
0 posts.
0 posts.
10
yeah.
followers, 99 followers.
Yeah.
Yo, look at this one.
Like, come on.
Okay.
That's a fake account.
He's saying this is a fake account. Gay Rowan. What the? 18 wild. Fuck am I gay? Yeah. Okay, this might just be real, Palla. You might just have it.
But I didn't accept it. I want this fucking guy to follow me.
ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਦੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਥਾ ਬਰਸੀਲੋਸ ਓਏ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਰੈਸਟੋਰੈਂਟ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਇਓ ਵਾਹ ਜੀ ਵਾਹ ਯਾਰ ਦਾ ਬਰਸੀਲੋ
Single kebabs.
Thank you.
ਮੋਸਟ ਫਰੈਸ਼ ਖਾਣਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਆਓ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰੋ ਫਰੈਸ਼ ਕਿਦਾਂ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਪਾਲਿਆ
ਅਜੇ ਤਾਂ ਖਾਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਰ ਦੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਦਾ
I'm gonna drop a low-key stab for all the veggie folks. This is the veggie kebab. This is the most bomb item ever. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਸੀ ਮੋਟੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਆ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਰ ਹੁਣ ਖਾਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੂੰਹ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਆ
ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ Day 2 baby
ਤਾਈਓ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਫੇਰ ਸੇਵਨ ਫੂਡ ਆ ਗਏ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ ਯਾਰ ਦੀਦੀ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਕੋਈ ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਤੇ ਜੋ ਪਾਲੇ ਵਾਜ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਦੱਸੋ ਭਾਈ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਆਈਟਮ ਲੈਣੀ ਆ
ਆਹ ਦੇ ਦੋ ਜ਼ੀਬਰਾ ਕੇ
ਇਹ ਭਾਜੀ ਇਹ ਲੱਗੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਸੇਬ ਤੇ ਜਿਬਰਾ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੇਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹਾਥੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਆ ਇਹ ਸਸਤੇ ਆ
ਕਿਰਨ ਲਾਣਾ ਬਈ ਜ਼ੀਬਰਾ ਦੇ ਦੋ
ਚੱਲ ਇਹ ਕਰ ਦੋ 5 ਪਾਉਂਡ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਇਹ ਹੈ
ਤੱਕ ਲਓ ਮੈਂ ਆਹੀ ਖਾ ਲੂੰ
ਮੇਰੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ 2 ਕੇਕ ਯਾਰ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਆਪਾਂ 4 ਜਾਣੇ ਆ
ਅੱਧਾ
ਮੈਂ ਜੂ ਖੁਦ ਆਹੋ
ਅੱਧਾ ਤੂੰ ਆ ਲੈਣੀ ਅੱਧਾ ਮੈਂ ਲੈ ਲੂੰ ਆਹ ਗਗਨ ਖਾ ਲੂ ਤੇ ਟੋਨੀ
ਅੱਧਾ ਟੋਨੀ ਖਾ ਲੂ ਹੈਨਾ ਟੋਨੀ ਉਦਾਂ ਵੀ ਘੱਟ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਸੋ ਵੈਸੇ ਉਹ ਘੱਟ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਵੈਸੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੇਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਵੈਸੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਹੀ ਕੇਕ ਆ ਵੈਸੇ ये वो कहाँ ऑर्डर है वैसे
ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਲਾਈਨਾਂ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਟਿਲ ਖੋਲਿਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਨੇ ਸੇਵਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਵੀ ਪੈਸੇ ਬਚਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਲੌਂਗ ਲਾਈਨ ਅਪ ਹੈ I know man there's too much tension open one more not like this in my country first day here today
Oh, really? Oh,
yeah it's so nice
exciting.
I love it yeah so clean here
Oh, yeah?
yeah